Hi, my name is Christy Goldner. I lead application development in the medical industry for Roncelli Plastics. Today we're going to talk about three materials that are frequently used in the medical industry: Polysulfone, PSU, Radel R, PPSU, and Ultem PEI. All three of these materials are amorphous, high-performance plastics, FDA, USDA, and NSF compliant, and very good in static applications. The advantages of these three materials are their high strength and rigidity, good resistance to steam, and good dimensional stability. Limitations to keep in mind are their poor wear and abrasion resistance. In material selection, the first step is understanding the most important criteria that need to be met for the application. Is it temperature, or chemicals, or impact strength? Then we put these criteria in order of need to make the best material selection for the part. Let's talk about temperature a bit more. If this is the most important criteria, we know that the glass transition temperature, which means the temperature where the material's properties rapidly deteriorate, for polysulfone is around 370 degrees. Ultem is 410, and Radel is just over 425. Now let's discuss chemical resistance. Polysulfone, Radel, and Ultem are not chemically inert, but have a broad chemical resistance. It's important to note that these materials are susceptible to attack at heavy concentrations at the extremes of the pH scale, especially when time and temperature are elevated. We recommend checking chemical resistance data before exposing the material to specific chemicals. A highlight for all three of these materials is that they have very good resistance to steam, an incredibly harsh environment. Steam resistance is very important when discussing autoclaving, a common process for cleaning and sterilization in the medical industry. While polysulfone and Ultem perform well in an autoclave, Radel has a significant advantage in the number of cycles it can endure in the autoclaving process. This is why so many instrument handles and trays are made from Radel. Another advantage of Radel is its commercial availability in a variety of colors. Impact strength is a consideration when choosing a material for an application, where the part may see rough conditions, such as a handheld medical instrument or an orthopedic component. Ultem and polysulfone are tough materials, but Radel has 2 to 3 times better impact strength. All three of these materials can be machined to tight tolerances, from stock shapes or injection molded if high quantities are needed. Common applications using all three of these materials include medical trays, plungers, nozzles, manifolds, fittings, connectors, pump bodies, and instrument handles. Managing how a material can affect a device's success starts with a strong collaborative relationship. Roncelli Plastics is here for you. The earlier we're engaged in the product's development with you, the better positioned you are to design for manufacturability and fiscal responsibility. Roncelli Plastics has been delivering high-precision, high-quality components for the most demanding applications since 1969. As a plastics-only manufacturing facility offering unparalleled material and engineering expertise, we look forward to working with you.